Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in today. I'm bringing you guys a DIY video on how to wax your skis or snowboard. This is a great way to get ready for the ski and snowboarding season, which is right around the corner. I'm very excited for it, and I'm hoping that I can bring you guys a few tips and show you guys how to wax your skis and snowboard in order to not only save time and money, but be able to do it just quickly, efficiently, and get ready for the season. Alright, so let's go over here and go over the things that you need to be able to wax your skis or snowboard. So, first off, you need snowboard or skis. I'll be doing the example on this snowboard right here. This is the main one that I use. Other things that you'll need is something hard like this to be able to clean off the bottom of your board before we wax it. You can use a hard cloth or anything like that as well. You will also need ski and snowboard wax. This is Demon White Lightning wax. It's great. Wax is pretty cheap as well. You can get it for like $5-10 at any snowboard or skate shop. And then you'll need an iron as well. I have a special iron to melt the wax. This one just came with a kit that I bought, but you can also go to like a DI and buy just an old iron and use those. I have plenty of friends that use that as well. And then you'll need a scraper. So I have two different ones. I have this one. It's just anything really that's hard with a flat surface that can scrape the wax off after it's dry. So I have this one and that one as well. So those are the things that you'll need.
Alright, so step one, clean off the bottom of your snowboard with a hard sponge or a cloth. Alright, so now that you're done with step one, it's time for step two. So make sure you plug your iron in, make sure it's nice and hot enough to melt the wax. And then you're going to press the wax onto the iron and let the melted wax drip onto the board until it's spread out evenly among the board. And then you can put your iron straight on the board and spread the wax around. Make sure it is spread evenly on every part of the board. That way you get an even distribution of that wax over the surface of the board. So after you have drops of wax spread evenly over the board, you can go ahead and put the iron directly onto the board. So step 4, once the wax is evenly distributed over the entire bottom of the board, you want to start by scraping off the wax on all the edges of the board. Alright, step 5. This is the hardest step. So you're going to scrape off the remaining wax on the rest of the board, and this takes some real time, so make sure you spend a lot of time and thoroughly scrape off all the remaining wax on the board.